A broken chair. Sally and her mom went shopping. They are looking for a chair. The mom sees a nice brown stool. It is of good quality. It will last forever. Sally thinks it is ugly though. She sees a pink plastic chair. She points at it. Mom, let's get that one. Her mom says no. Sally throws a fit. She knows she can get what she wants if she cries. She starts crying loudly. Other shoppers stare at Sally. Her mom gets embarrassed. She ends up buying the pink chair. At home, Sally sits on it. It quickly breaks. Sally is on the floor. She cries from the pain.